Welcome to the Observic tutorial for receiving feedback. In this tutorial we will demonstrate how any user can obtain feedback from a review of their performance to help inform their professional development. So starting on the dashboard here, after a successful login, we find results for a completed review in the header Reviews. This page shows a list of all reviews that are either completed or in progress and are yet to be finished. So as you can see, in this list we can see the title of each review, the name of the reviewer, the name of the reviewee, the date on which the review was submitted, its status, either complete or in progress, and also the form which was used to complete the review. Clicking on the completed review now, we are taken to a page where we see the original video or audio file, which was completed along with timestamp comments, which were added by the reviewer. Clicking on the arrow icon next to each comment will play the video or audio file at the point which the reviewer stopped the file to give their feedback. Remember that their comment might refer to the section of the file that was just played, so be prepared to rewind the file a little to understand their comment. The reply icon next to the arrow allows you to begin a dialogue with the reviewer on their feedback should you wish to ask for more clarification on their comments. So I'm just going to type in something here and submit that. To the right of the screen we can see feedback on the form which has been used in the review. Forms can be designed in many ways but may include grades, scores and text comments within the feedback that has been given. Again, there is a reply icon to click if you wish to message your reviewer. A completed review can also be printed by clicking the icon. It brings up this page and you click the little printer icon there to go through and print your review. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.